Chloroform takes about 6 to 8 minutes to make a person unconsciousness and not just 10 seconds as shown in the movies. Have you ever noticed that goats have rectangular pupils in their eyes? Airplane food isn't very tasty because our sense of smell and taste decrease by 20% to 50% while flying. Our eyes are always the same size from birth, but our nose and ears never stop growing. Iceland is the only country in the world with no mosquitoes. We can't land on the planet Jupiter because Jupiter's surface is actually made up of clouds. Sloppy handwriting by doctors are responsible for over 7,000 deaths every year. A magnitude 15 earthquake will destroy the planet. If strangers on a planet 66 million years away had the technology to observe the earth in enough detail, they would see dinosaurs. In zero gravity, a candle flame is round and blue. Every year, the moon drifts 4 cm farther from the earth. You can't read in a dream because reading and dreaming are functions of different sides of brain which don't cooperate during dreams. Your body is the weakest during 3 to 4 am. This is the time most of the people die in their sleep. Your height is generally determined by your father. Intelligence, emotional strength, and body shape is determined by the mother. When a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. It's the mind playing back the person's memories in a dream sequence. Dinosaurs existed before Saturn had rings. According to paranormal activity experts, if you see a ghost in your dream, it's actually the ghost looking at you that time. This is really scary. If you place a ripe banana next to a green tomato, the tomato will ripen due to the ethylene gas produced by the banana. For their first months of living, babies only see black and white. The person who invented homework was an Italian teacher named Roberto Navilis. He invented homework in 1905 as a punishment for his students.